left the Tails car going down the mountain, Sun something.
Sunrun?
Is it just called Sunrun?
Yeah.
That one I really like. I got some. I got some corduroy on Millie's Mile.
Sundance is in this one.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
On the side, I got some fresh corduroy coming down this last one.
What's
Really
fresh
cool.
corduroy?
Where they just groomed it.
Oh.
Usually if you go to the sides early on, but people don't always ski that off. I did. Can you do the clip today?
Maybe. We'll see. I want to get done with before I'm more sore.
You don't need anyone to take it. It's nice to go on even numbers so nobody does has to ride the cliff chair solo, because that's kind of hard to do, I think. So if you go in even numbers, then you can always pull it up.
So I wasn't listening. What was the plan for tonight?
We have Denise making grilled cheese sandwiches
For lunch.
with soup for lunch.
I swear, like, you answered like 8 other questions every time, which is helpful information.
And then
tomorrow we're gonna take a picture.
Chungy and Wayne are making this amazing dinner with tri-tip, steak, and salmon, and macaroni bake. And then I was thinking we should take a picture in the jammies tonight.
Yeah.
On the stairs, just get that over with. New Year's. On the
Oh, it's
stairs.
New Year's.
It's
That's
New Year's
what's
Eve.
tonight.
Oh.
And then there's a fireworks show at
Duh.
9. There is a fireworks show at 9 p.m. at the Happy Valley Day Lodge. Happy Valley
Where
Lodge.
we can see it from.
That's what I'm thinking. There's also a DJ, live DJ.
Oh.
Free ice skating.
DJ.
Go
But we were gonna maybe have our dance
Plurb at Happy
party
Valley?
Yeah, Plurb.
and talent show maybe. So, I practiced and Denise and I are ready.
I think it's just you guys do a performance.
I do think it's just us, but
Yeah.
if anyone else wants to do anything, talent show, someone could play a song.
I could try something.
You, Augie, and Todd get in sync and play something together.
Yeah.
That Big White song. Learn that.
Oh my god.
That would be awesome.
Yeah.
It's a big white cruise. That was funny.
Yeah.
I don't even know.
Ooh.
This looks like all ice.
Yeah.
Would that be hard to learn? It was pretty short. What do you
No,
think, Soren?
I don't think it's too hard.
Okay.
Nothing too crazy going on.
I can try
Well,
to
you
give it
gotta
to you, or
match the
Kevin,
facial expressions.
Kevin or Beth can
That's
send
pretty
it to
easy.
you.
Oh, the facial expressions would be the hard part. I don't know how she was contorting her face like that.
I
Yeah.
have no idea.
Well, you would understand if you played guitar.
Do you guys want to play group celebrities tonight with everybody?
Yeah.
Yeah. If we have time.
How big a team? Yeah.
So we have 20 people. We can do 5 teams of 4,
That's a good idea.
or 4 teams of
Mom,
5.
no one knew who Genghis Khan was when he got mad at me.
No, don't worry about it. They do now.
Are you gonna put it in on the next one?
Yeah. Okay. I'm gonna put Kublai Khan.
Golden.
Yeah. He killed 10% of the entire
what
world's
years?
population.
What year?
1030 or like 1340. Like 1300. I think. Don't call me on it. 4% of the entire world is descended from him.
4%?
And I'd be like 0.4. But still,
That's still a lot.
an insane amount of like 300 million people or something are descended from him.
Whoa. People are kids?
Well, yeah. And also he kind of just like raped and pillaged
Oh.
the entire fucking continent of Asia.
Dang.
Did you guys have fun playing Codenames? It sounded hilarious.
It was so
Codenames
fun.
was a lot of
Was it
fun.
intense?
God, that was so clutch at the end.
Oh, yeah.
Oh. For the final fifth round, all 4 of us are each gone, so the team chose the other team's center.
Oh! Who did
And
you guys
we
choose?
chose Ella for them.
And who did they choose for you?
Brit. Because they're like, Brit's not on the same wavelength as the 3 guys. But we were locked. So she said strip club for 4, and we got 4.
Oh my god.
Woo!
They didn't even get all of one.
No.
I thought you were say one word.
What?
But
Yeah,
you
but
say-
Ella allows you to do like a joint word.
Oh, that's
Strip
She had
for
just
4.
said strip, would you have gotten it?
No!
What What would be a strip club? Like a pole?
It was
Yeah, there's a
pole.
pole,
We said
Disco ball?
We said queen. What?
queen shot,
Shot
like shots, I don't know. And
Jeez.
lights.
and lights. Yeah. But queen wasn't one
Queen,
of
just
them.
like
Yeah,
a drag
queen.
queen?
There's a queen.
Like they're like the queens of the stage, you know?
Yeah.
I think we might get a group picture up here.
Oh, that's not cool.
Yeah.
Cool?
Yeah. My hands are not picking up
Okay, we
anymore.
could sit down a little bit. Do you not want to go to Scarecrow?
The line is free.
Okay, that's fine.